Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and I am presenting my project on conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye. Let's start at the beginning. What is conjunctivitis? Conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye, is a highly contagious disease that causes itching, burning, crusting of the eyelids, and a distinguishing pink tint to the infected eyes. Conjunctivitis can be caused by 4 different types of infection. The first being viral conjunctivitis, which, as it sounds, is because of a virus. Bacterial conjunctivitis, which is caused by these bacteria, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce. And then there's also allergic conjunctivitis, which, as it sounds, is a reaction to allergens, commonly known as dust or pollen. And then there's irritant conjunctivitis, which occurs when something is in the eye that isn't supposed to be there. These 3 pictures show the classic symptoms of pink eye. The first one up top here is the classic red or pink eye color. And then the one here in the middle is the discharge that is produced by the infection. And then eventually this discharge will harden, usually overnight, and it becomes this crust, which is shown down here at the bottom. The rationale for conjunctivitis is that 6 million people are infected annually in the United States, so it's quite common, and you probably had it at least once in your life. I unfortunately had it twice whenever I was a young child in both eyes. Viral conjunctivitis is the most common infection. It's most prevalent during the summer. Bacterial conjunctivitis comes in second as the second most common infection. This one is most prevalent among children. About 50 to 70% of children do get bacterial conjunctivitis, and this particular type of infection is most prevalent during December through April. Allergic conjunctivitis is the most common and frequent cause of pink eye. It affects about 15 to 40% of the population, and as you can imagine, it is most prevalent during the spring and summer when pollen and dust mites are most active. In order to prevent pink eye, the number one prevention method would be proper hand washing and, of course, avoiding touching your eyes. When you do have discharge, it's important to wash it from the eyes with a clean, wet washcloth or cotton ball to go on and remove the infection from the eyes. It's also important to wash pillowcases, sheets, washcloths, and towels if you do have the infection. It's also important not to share personal items, so that may include makeup or other items that you would use around your eyes. And it's also very important to avoid swimming pools because it is very highly contagious and you don't want to spread the infection to everyone else. The behavior change is similar to the prevention. In order to prevent any of the 4 forms of conjunctivitis, it's important to wash your hands often, avoid touching your eyes or your face, clean surfaces that are around your house very often. Do not share contacts or makeup products or makeup brushes with anyone who has pink eye or conjunctivitis. And if you are infected, it is important to seek treatment immediately. You can go to your doctor or even a local urgent care, and they would be happy to help you. These are my resources. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me. I have my Lenore Ryan email, my personal email, and my cell phone number. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you all have a great day.